we're going to demonstrate lots of good core stability exercise for the lower back region. Basically, core in normal terminology means the lower back region, but in physiology, the whole trunk is considered as the core of the body. Therefore, if you want to do a good core stability program, you should train from your thigh up to your chest. I'm going to demonstrate, first of all, the posture of this gentleman. As you can see, his abdominal muscles are relaxed now. When you look at abdominal, you see three types of muscle: two straight abdominal, two diagonal abdominal, and the main muscle which is going to correct our posture is transversum abdominal muscle, which starts from middle of the tummy and from both sides come and connect to the lordosis of your lower back. So basically it works like a corset, it goes from both sides and support your back. So when you want to do core stability, your abdominal muscle, including lots of spinal vertebral muscle, becomes strong and they correct your posture. So the first thing which you need to consider, whenever you stand, you walk, or even in sitting, the simplest thing you can do to correct your posture and assist your lower back is simply pull your in, yeah, more, very good. As soon as you engage the transversal abdominal muscle, your spinal vertebra from top to down come to best anatomical position in relation to your own posture. And secondly, whenever this muscle is engaged, a little bit more, very good. So you're not lifting your shoulder, your body is relaxed. The only thing you do, relax, yeah, relax, very good. It's like in, very good. So when you do this, first of all, your spinal vertebra become corrected, and secondly, 50% of all different forces which apply to your lower back is going to be taken over by the TRA muscle. Now, you're going to start the exercise, hopefully you're going to enjoy it. And also this exercise can be done by different type of people, especially if they have a lack of core stability. Therefore, you need to consult your physiotherapist prior to doing this exercise. Okay, good. In standing position, you start, standing position. Put your hands on your back, please. Okay, now a big good circle. You do 2 times 15, left to right, and then right to left. Yeah, opposite, very good. Warm up your lower back first, and then we're going to do the exercise. And also you can do this exercise on top of the previous exercise which I show you for lower back region. Okay, that's fine. Now go side to side. Yeah, start gently and then step by step go further. But yeah, left, right, that's good. Then the next one, rotate your body from left to right. Very good. Simple PE exercise to warm up your lower back region. As I said, most of the loads apply to our body directly or indirectly affect our lower back. So therefore, doing enough mobilizing and stretching and stability exercise will improve your lower back, reduce tension and increase mobility. Good. Now, and then bend forward, backward, gently. Yeah. Go down and back. All the way back. Very good. All of this you can do 20, 30 repetitions. Also, that's enough. You can do the same for your whole body as a good warming up technique. It's been proven if you warm up and cool down your body properly, you're going to reduce 85% of all sport injuries. Good. Now, lying down, please. Okay, good. So, we're going to, the order of this exercise are not so important. You can follow your own order as well, but it's better to have some kind of building up within the exercise. Good. Now, bend your knee, please. Okay, good. And put your hands on your thigh and try to reach your patella. Come further up. Very good. And down. Up and down. You can do this 2 times 15. Start with 10 even if you can, and then build up every week. Add 10% on, or just a couple of repetitions extra. The same exercise that you do today will be much easier within 2-3 days, and the week after much easier. So your body will need more, so you're going to build up further and further until you reach very good stability in your lower back. Good. Now bend your knee again. Very good. Now, you're bending your knee to the side and come straight. Just reach your hands further. Very good. This is for the oblique-abdominal. Very good. Again, you start with a couple of repetitions. rotation until you build up to 15, 2 times 15 rotation. Very good. And then the opposite side, very good. These are for side muscle. Wonderful. Okay, that's fine. Now, stretch your leg, please. Raise your leg one by one up to 90 degrees. Yes. While the right is coming up, the left is going down. Wonderful. Don't touch the floor. Just up and down again. 2 times 15 is a good level of training for this exercise. That's enough. The next one, raise your both legs at the same time. Come up. Wonderful. Try to keep your knee straight as possible and don't touch the floor when you go down. Okay, as you see, whenever you raise your leg or even arm movement, you're engaging abdominal muscle. Good. The next one, bend your knee, please. Okay, both of them. Now, come a little bit up, and then this one go down, up, further. Very good. A little bit more. Wonderful. Okay, that's good. Try to have a deep breath in, out, because this exercise requires lots of oxygen and you feel much better if you breathe properly. Now, keep your knee bended. Wonderful. Now, lift up your bottom. Up. Now, stretch this leg like this. Hold it for 10 seconds and then relax. Do the other one, the same. And the following exercise, you can make it more difficult. You raise your leg with full extension. Go up, down. So you're moving your hip basically. Very good. Do it by yourself. Okay, that's good. Now relax. Okay, good. The next one, turn to your side. Yeah, cycling, yeah. Do that one. Very good. Use your hip as well. Very good. Okay, and then to build up this further, you combine with your hand as well. Reach your knee. Very good. Left, right, further up. That's great. Okay, you can either have a 10-15 second break between each exercise, or if you're fit enough, just keep doing them one after the other. Good. Now turn to your side. To the side, please. Yeah, very good. Now in this position, just relax yourself. Okay. Now raise your legs up, down, 2 times 15 again. As I said, the core is not only abdominal. You need your glute muscle because that's all body weight will transfer and rely on the glute muscle. So more stability, more comfortable lifestyle. Very good. Then go forward, backward. Keep your knee straight. No, keep the knee straight. Yeah, come forward and back. Forward, back. Okay, wonderful. Then the next one, you roll your legs, a big nice circle, clockwise, and then opposite side now. You can rest, as I said, between these exercises to catch up your breath and then carry on. Wonderful. Now in this position, because we want to be more efficient with timing, I'll show you side plank. Okay, stand on your elbow, button, up. Very good. Now this is a state can make it difficult. Going, no, keep it up. Going up and down, then up. Yes, no, stay there. Very good. Now move your hands like this. Very good. Okay. And the next one, go to the same position again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's good. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Now turn to your side, please. Very good. As I said, the core is not only your abdominal muscle. You need to engage all these group of muscles to have the best stability. Put this leg over. Yeah, relax here now. These legs go up and down. 2 times 15. Very good. Now that's enough. Now go forward and backward. Yeah, like this. Very good. Try to keep your knees straight. Wonderful. And the next one, you roll your legs clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay, these are quite heavy because of long lever arm around your leg. So you might feel some ache here. So try to take it easy in the beginning. Especially if you suffer from any condition, including different type of back pain, make sure you're consulting your physio before doing any of this exercise. Now, in the same position, we're going to do side plank. Okay, put this foot slightly here. Now raise your bottom, up, knee as well. Very good. You're going to stay up to 1 minute like this. If it's difficult, again, start even doing 10 seconds. Then every time you build a couple of seconds on top. Then the next one, same position, come up. Okay, now the bottom go up and down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's fine. Now, turn to the front. Okay, we go do front plank, yeah. Stay there, up, no, stay there, stay. Very good. Knee up, wonderful. You're going to do this even also for up to 1 minute. If you are unable to do it, just start with 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Every time you repeat, you're going to do 10 seconds more, okay? The follow-up is the same position, and bottom go up and down, up, down, up, down. Even with many serious back pain, still you are able to perform most of this exercise, because when you are in bridge position, the loads and force applied under the knee first rather than the top. So most of the force will come to your abdominal, and if you try, you will feel immediately that your abdominal are working. Good. Now stand on your hand, up, same as that, and on your knee, up, no, that's finished. The next one, on your knee, put your knee down. Okay, good. Look straight. Now raise these hands up. Okay, and these legs up as well. Very good. Hold this for 20 seconds and relax. Now change the side. These hands and this leg. Wonderful. Okay, and if you're fit enough, that's good. You can do a couple of press up in this position as well. If for women it's difficult, they can do press up in this position. And more exercise by holding some weight up to 2-3 kilograms on your hands, okay? And you can fix your feet somewhere, okay? Now straight your hands. Now go to the left and to the right. Left, right. Very good. Okay, that's fine. Now stand up. Okay. Hold this with your hand. Now, just bend all the way down and up. Again, as you see, you're contracting your side abdominal to perform this exercise. Make sure your upper back is straight and do up to 2 times 15. Okay, on the other side. Go down and up, down, up. Okay, wonderful. And give this to me, please. The last exercise I'd like to show you is very interesting. It's going to affect all your trunk muscle, especially your abdominal again, and all multi-feet muscle around the spine will be affected as well. So, like punching, straight your hands. Okay, now go all the way to the side, all the way to the side. Very good. Punch and turn your upper body. As you see, the whole trunk is turning left to right and right to left. At the same time, you're bending, extending. All these muscles are constantly working, including the intercostal vertebra, spinal vertebra muscle, abdominal muscle, and it's really good exercise for core stability. That's good. And later you can do the resistance exercise, which I have developed by myself. Put that foot on the front of my leg. Very good. Stand tall. Very good. Always engage these muscles, that muscle in. Relax your shoulder. Relax. Very good. In. That's better now. I'm going to hold your shoulder like this. The only thing you do is just turn your body to the side, okay? And hold until I'm asking you to relax. Ready? Go. Push, 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 push. Breathe, breathe. That's good. Don't go too far. Let me lose the balance. Okay, relax. In. All the time, keep it in. Within 2 weeks, it becomes safe here, I promise you. Okay, go. One more time. Push. Now don't move your body. Stand firm. Only you turn your body, okay? Left Let's do this side now. Okay, now turn it. Push, 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 push. So basically I'm pushing this hand, resisting against this force and pulling this one away. Push, push, push. Very good. Where do you feel it? Where do you feel? Around here? Yeah, good. Okay. These are some of the core stability exercise. And at the end, you're going to do a good stretching. So hold your hand like this. Go all the way back. Yeah? Up, 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 up. Very good. You stretch all your abdomen and then hold all stretching 20 seconds, repeat 5 times, and go to the side. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Repeat 5 times, hold for 20 seconds. And go down, all the way down, 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 down. Relax your neck, breathe, and come up. Okay, that's great. Now, if you want to do some stretching for your arm, hold this arm like this, like this, keep this straight. Now, push this away, pull it, very good. No, stay there, very good. Pull and stay. That's great, wonderful. And the next one, hold your hand behind your body like this, very good. Push, I can show you as well. And then bend your neck to opposite side. You're going to stretch all this rotator cuff and your neck muscles. So you're basically doing this and pulling this away. Very good. That's great. Okay. So this is, as I said, the package of core stability. You can do this in 5 minutes, approximately, or do up to an hour, which within 2-3 weeks, you're going to have very good core stability and lots of strength, mobility and flexibility around your back, which makes it much easier to do your daily activity and exercises. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great time.